Which is a good technique to use when working inside of a laptop. So let's go over the following. Well, the first is to store all removed screws and hardwares in a bowl to avoid losing them. Now, you won't lose them, but laptops all come with different screws for different parts inside the laptop, so you'll mix them up. So this is not a good idea. Do not do this. We have keep the battery attached so you can test as you go. This is bad. Do not keep the battery attached. This is a great way to short something out, and you don't want to have battery attached. One of the first things you should do as soon as you possibly can is actually remove the battery. That's not an answer. Let's just skip to the very last one, and that's use a butter knife to separate the case halves because it's dull but strong. Okay, actually, funny story. I may or may not have used a butter knife before, but that's not good. Don't do that. And it's because butter knives are long, they're sharp on the edges, and it could easily cut something. You could easily just pierce right through it. It's very long. You want to use like a short spudger type of material, kind of like a guitar pick, to get in there. That's plastic, not metal, and that is what you're going to want to use. Not metal, not a butter knife. Lastly, we have review a disassembly guide or manual. This is definitely something you'll want to do, especially if you're taking something apart for the very first time. So a good technique to use when working inside of a laptop is review a disassembly guide or manual.